You can take me to heaven and understand I was a cheat. Did the best I could, raised in insanity. But send me to hell, cause I ain't begging for my life. Ain't nothing worse than this curse that's off my life. Jeopardy, my thoughts will pass. I know I'll die soon, so there's no need to act. I'm with my homeboys, remember me. Buried B.E.T., casket full of Hennessy. We love like niggas. Watch for the scoop, forgive me cause it's cool. But I'm planning to you can take me to heaven and
for this night is again Mr. Isaiah.
My team, my
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner by an armbar, Mr. Kraupelkat Rashid.
Thinking of taking it stand-up section. Was very good to stand up, so I'm moving around. I'm a shark, you know. So inside, there's this caution. I'm the shark. This is jiu-jitsu, baby.
It seems as if that we have a couple of guys who can make it big, really big. While looking at this fight, it reminded me of Conor McGregor and Jose Aldo.
He said don't leave, but just leave.
I did, yeah. Give it up for Crowdon. Come on, guys. Kraupelkat Rashid. Yes, come on, give it up for him, guys. He just